These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are the game changers you didn't know you needed. From time savers to space savers, every product is linked in the description below. Tired of struggling with slicing fresh meat just right? This manual meat cutter takes care of that in one clean push. With up to 17 stainless steel blades working at once, you get 18 even slices in seconds. Flip the meat to shred, cube, or dice. Your call. It's safe, easy to clean, and compact enough to hang or tuck away when you're done. Meal prep just got smarter and fresher. This compact vacuum sealer set helps you keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with just the push of a button. It comes with reusable bags and a durable glass container, making it perfect for leftovers, snacks, or sous vide cooking. The rechargeable sealer is easy to use, and the whole setup is freezer and microwave safe. Less waste, more flavor, and zero hassle. Ever wondered what fresh oil from your own kitchen tastes like? This electric oil press lets you extract pure oils from seeds, nuts, and more. No additives, no mystery ingredients. It handles everything from sesame to sunflower and even avocados. With automatic temperature control and a foldable design, it's smart, smokeless, and easy to store. Just load it, press a button, and enjoy real flavor in every drop. Who says peeling tools are just for apples and potatoes? This multi-use peeler handles it all, even watermelon. It slices, cores, and sections your fruits or veggies in seconds, thanks to its smart stainless steel design. Whether you're prepping for a snack tray or tossing ingredients into a salad, this tool gets it done fast. Easy to grip, easy to clean, and way more fun than a regular knife. Say goodbye to stale chips and snack bag chaos. This mini gadget is both a heat sealer and cutter, so you can close up opened bags and slice through new ones in one smooth move. It heats up instantly, seals airtight in seconds, and runs on USB-C, so no batteries or weird cables needed. It's tiny enough to toss in a drawer or take on the go. Travel-friendly, kitchen-friendly, and waste-reducing. Fresh pasta in 3 minutes without even touching a rolling pin? Yes, please. This automatic pasta maker does all the hard work for you. Just add ingredients and pick from 13 different pasta shapes. From spaghetti to dumpling skins, it mixes, kneads, and pushes out smooth, unbroken noodles in no time. Built-in safety features protect your hands, and the compact design fits easily on any kitchen counter. Washing fruit one by one? Not anymore. This clever spinner scrubs berries, grapes, and more in seconds with a simple crank. No power needed. Inside, soft bristles and rotating tabs clean every surface from all angles, gently removing dirt, wax, and residue. The top doubles as a colander, while the base acts as a bowl. It's fast, easy, and big enough for the whole family's fruit fix. Stirring for hours? Let this smart gadget take over. It automatically sweeps the bottom of your pot, keeping sauces, soups, and risottos smooth and scorch-free. The powerful motor runs quietly for up to 10 hours on a single charge and adjusts to fit different pot sizes on its own. You can even fine-tune the speed. Just set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly stirred dishes. Scrubbing floors, tubs, and tiles shouldn't feel like a workout. This cordless spin scrubber does the heavy lifting for you. Just press a button and watch it power through dirt. It comes with 5 brush heads for every corner, crevice, and countertop. The rechargeable battery gives you up to 2 hours of non-stop cleaning. And yes, it's waterproof, so splash away without worry. Slicing veggies shouldn't feel like a dangerous game. This smart mandolin hides the blade below the surface, so your fingers never go near it. With just one tool, you can slice, dice, julienne, or matchstick. No blade swapping required. Adjust the thickness with a dial and drop whole veggies into the large feeding slot. Cleanup's a breeze, and it folds down small to fit any drawer. No more chopping, pushing, or hovering over your juicer. This hands-free machine does it all. Just drop in whole fruits or veggies and let the auto-cutting blade go to work. The powerful motor handles everything from beets to pineapples with ease. Want smoothies, nut milk, or sorbet? You've got it. It runs quietly, cleans easily, and juices big batches without breaking a sweat. Taking out the trash just got futuristic. This smart can seals the bag for you with one tap. No tying, no mess, no getting your hands dirty. Once you lift the full bag out, it automatically lines itself with a fresh one. The motion sensor opens the lid with a wave, keeping things touch-free and odor-free. It's hygienic, hands-off, and makes garbage duty almost enjoyable. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.